Hello everyone. Today the topic I'm going to explain is list interface. Before going into the main part of the topic, I want to introduce myself to you. My name is Shom Shubhra Shaha. I work as an assistant professor in RMK College of Engineering and Technology, Chennai. So let's begin. So before going to the main topic, what is list interface, I want to define interface. Interface is a blueprint for a class. That means it defines an abstract method that implementing classes must define. So every interface needs classes to execute a particular program, and the interface always carries abstract methods, and it supports abstraction as they don't have method implementation by default. Now, in case of multiple inheritance, interface is being used, as Java is the language with does not support multiple inheritance with classes, but a class can have multiple interfaces. So the interface contains only the abstract method and constants. So what is a list interface? So whenever any programmer or any user will add any element into the list interface, the element is stored in an ordered collection or sequential manner, and it also allows duplication of elements. So the elements which is stored in into the list interface, elements can be accessed by index, and the list interface is a part of collection interface, and as I have already told you, it stores element in a sequential manner. So whenever we want to access or insert or retrieve any of the element, so we can use index number easily, and it contains duplicate elements, and even iterator method is also used to access the elements of the list. So as I have told you that any interface without the help of any class cannot implement. So for every particular interface there is a list of classes which will work only for that particular interface only. So for list interface, the classes that or the types of implementations are array list, linked list, vector and stack. So this is the different types of syntax which is used during the implementation of list interface. So if I am using the class array list, so the first one will be the syntax for the array list, where the first list with a capital L is the interface name, then data type over here is simply written over here, the data type. Whenever we are going to execute any program related to this list interface, the data type first letter will always be in capital. Then there is list 1. So this list 1 can vary. I can put my name also over here. This is the list name. After that is equals to, then we are creating a non object, that is new, and after the new object we are using the class name. Suppose if I am doing a program related to array list, so I will use array list. If I am doing a program related to linked list, then I will use linked list, and if it is a vector, then vector, if it is a stack, then stack. So let's see what is array list. Basically, array list is a dynamic array implementation. That means, suppose during the execution, if I want to grow the array, grow the storage, then it will grow, and if I don't want that much storage, it will shrink automatically. So the method to set or get, set means update, or to get or retrieve, these two method is very fast in case of array list, and insertion and deletion is slower in between of the array list, and it can be accessed frequently, that is random access is very good over here, and it is always accessed with the help of index. and the collection is always in sequential manner, so it is ordered collection, and it also allows null value, and for iteration also it is very easy. Though there are several methods to perform this array list, so but I have only few of them I have noted over here. So first one is empty method. Over here the is empty method checks whether the array list is empty or not, and then is for each loop. This loop is through each element in the array list. It checks each element in the array list, and then get method is retrieves. Set methods, I have already told you, it is used to update any particular index or update the element at a specified index. Collection dot sort means it is used to sort the array list in ascending order, and list of iterator, it allows bidirectional iteration over the list. Okay, whenever we are going to write the any function related to interface, these are the steps of the algorithm which is being used to write the function. First is that we will start writing the program. Step 1, first we will import packages. So in case of list interface, the list interface come under java.util package. So first we will import the packages, then public class name, then void main function. After that we will create the interface, whatever interface we are using it, we will create that. After that we will write the basic operations or whatever operations we are doing, then we will print, and this will end our program. So this is the program where first I am importing packages java.util. After that I am creating a public class, and I have given the class name as array. After that I am using the void main function over here. Then I am creating the list interface over here by using list syntax, and then I am using this add method to add an element in this array list. So it will print a b, so this is the output. So next we are going to see linked list. So over here it is doubly linked list implementation of list. So in case of linked list, the insertion and deletion is very fast at any position or at any index. So whenever we are going to access randomly, so it will be slower in case of linked list. So this linked list can also be used in queue or dequeue. So it always maintains insertion order, and it also allows duplication and null values. So though there are several methods, but only few I can list it over here. So first one is empty. It will check whether the linked list is empty or not. Next is add method, which is used to add any of the elements in the list. And then get method, which is used to retrieve element at a specified index. Then set method, that is to update elements at a specific index. And then collection dot sort, that is sorting the linked list according to alphabetically. Remember that in array list, this collection dot sort is basically used to sort the array list in ascending order, but in case of linked list it is used to sort the linked list in alphabetically. Then list iterator, it is used for both forward and reverse iteration. So this is the algorithm where first we will import packages, then we will use public class name, then void function, then we will create the list opted list interface, and write down the function and print and end. So first I am importing package java.util. After that I am giving public class, the class name is linked. Then again I am giving the void main function. Then under the void main function I am creating the list interface with using the same syntax, that list string linked list, which is equals to new linked list. So over here, if you see this interface, the first list is with capital L. Then we are using the data type with the string where the first letter of the data type is in capital. Then I am creating the name of the list, which can be capital or not capital, does not matter. It can be in small letter also. Then I am creating a new object, and after that again I am using this linked list. Now in this linked list you can see the first letter is in capital and the first letter of the list is in capital, but there is no space in between them. So this is the syntax actually. And then in next line I am using this add function, linked list dot add a, linked list dot add b, and then I am printing. So this is the output a and b. So we can see the difference between array list and linked list. First of all is that in array list it is a dynamic array, and in the linked list it is doubly linked list is used to store elements, and the array list is slow but linked list is faster. And in array list class can act as a list only when it can implement it in the list only, but in case of linked list it can be act as a list in case of list operation also, list interface also, and queue interface also, both. So in array list is better for storing and accessing data, but linked list it is better for manipulating data. And next is the memory allocation for the elements of an array is continuous. The location for the elements of a linked list is not contiguous. So you can see that generally when the array list is initialized, the capacity is 10. It is a default capacity assigned, and but in case of linked list, no, there is no default capacity is there. And then in array list it is dynamic, already have it has been set, but over here it's doubly linked list is used. So thank you. This up to this only the today's lecture is. If you want to ask something or if you have any query, you may say. Thank you.